Imagine you had magical powers and you could fly and walk on water. Unfortunately, magic isn't real. And this guy isn't walking on water. There's glass under his feet. But I got the next best thing, which is After Effects, which you can use to erase wires so that it looks like he's actually flying.
Hey, what the fuck, man? What are you doing? You can't make jokes like that in 2025, man. What the hell, man?
No, I'm sorry. I thought it was funny, okay? Look, I'm just confused. I just don't know what's going on, man. I'm trying to learn this program. It's called After Effects. It's like, I don't understand, man. There's too many things. I just wish I knew what this box meant. Well, now there is. This here is called the project panel, and you can use it to put stuff inside. Think of it like your car's boot. You can put your images, your audios, your videos, your compositions in here and pull them out when you need to. This button here makes folders, which, let's be honest, who the fuck uses folders? Like, my projects are messier than my room right now, and if I pan this camera down, you would see horrors beyond your comprehension, trust me. If you hit enter, you can rename stuff to anything that you want to name him. For example, let's name this video Muhammad.
Why the fuck would it be Muhammad?
Muhammad is the most commonly used name on earth. Read a fucking book for one.
Alright, cool. Now to get started, we need to create a thing called a composition. A composition is basically the timeline where stuff happens. Got a composition, new composition, and you got tons of things that you can do here. Endless possibilities, alright? And here you can set the resolution, you can set it to anything that you want to set it to, like 426 and 9, which I'm 24 years old now. I don't think it's that funny anymore. Getting old, man. Life's passed me by. I'm a fucking failure. I don't have a joke, honestly. Like, this isn't even part of the video. Fuck me, man. Fucking hell. Alright, so just set the resolution to 19 by 1080 and then frame rate to 30, which is the standard rate for a video. And then for the time, let's just go with 15 seconds. Congratulations, you just created your first After Effects composition. But it feels so empty here, doesn't it? Yeah, it's so empty. It's probably because you haven't put anything inside the composition yet, so let's do that by adding in shapes and text. Alright, so we're gonna use the shape tool, so just click on it and then just drag it on the source monitor, which is like this black thingy here, and you can adjust your shape by using properties window and you can change how it looks. Amazing. Alright, and the next tool we got is the text tool. You can write anything you want, like poop dick. Use properties to play around with the settings until it looks good as well. Wow, great job, man. You're slowly becoming an After Effects wizard. Let's move on to doing an animation because it's really important in After Effects because, well, that's what people use it for fucking animation. Alright, so let's say I want to animate myself riding a fucking dolphin while I shoot a fucking Uzi. Here's how you do that. Probably link it in the comments if you want to download it, you know, so just use that. Alright, so drag this bitch in like that. So we're gonna click on the layer right here and then we're gonna hit P and hit the clock and you just create a keyframe. Fucking congratulations. Your dad still doesn't love you, but you know, you're getting better at animating, which is, on the grand scheme of things, pretty cool because it's gonna get you a job and it's gonna allow you to travel the world. And you're gonna think, oh, that's cool. I want to show people how they can make YouTube videos and then travel the world. If you want to learn how to make $1,000 per week with editing, link below. Let's move on. Move further and drag this number to the right. It will move the dolphin to the right, and drag the other one to the left or right, and it's gonna move the dolphin up or down. Really easy to understand, man. Anyway, I added the wiggle effect to the dolphin, and I also added a wave green screen. I used the key light effect to key it out, and this is the final result. Wow, you now know almost everything that you need to know about After Effects. Here's some more things to master, some shortcuts. U is gonna like open or close the layer. P is gonna pop down the position thingy. S is scale, and R is and rotate, which sounds like and rotate, but it's not. It's and rotate. Here are some other tips. Easing. Just select your keyframes and then hit F9 to make them smoother. Look at how it looks. Wow, a lot better, right? There's also this thing where you can adjust it. Just make it nice, man. Just make it nice. Effects. Alright, so it might be hard to comprehend, but After Effects actually comes with effects in it. I know, right? So here are some of my favorite effects. You got turbulent displays. I've never been on an LSD trip, but I think that's how it's supposed to look like. You got shatter, which is like pretty alright effect. You got light sweep, which will make things look more expensive. This text animation where you can get from here. There's other ones. You got puppet warp. Very cool if you're doing like documentary style videos and you just need to animate stuff a little bit. Ow, ow. And then you got the glow effect. The glow, you know, you want to get the glow. You want to get the glow. It looks pretty good, man. It looks the glow effect. And they got CC ball action, which sadly it's not what you think it is. It's not actual balls, testicles. CC motion tile. Honorable mentions is roto brush tool. If you don't have a green screen like me, you don't want to fucking cut yourself out. Just use the roto brush tool. Put yourself in like a nice place. It's done, master. What's done? I've taught them After Effects. But have you taught them about the secret program? Hey my bro, if you're looking to learn how to use your new editing skills and start earning an online income and out on your friends by making stupid fucking YouTube videos, check the links below. I got a program called Wealthy Editor Fast Track, which is designed to help you reach $1,000 per week with video editing. Tons of bonuses. I teach you how to edit. I got like editing courses inside there, so you get my personal mentorship and video calls, plus the actual course on how to make $1,000 per week with video editing. Plus you also get a course where I teach you how I used to make $7,000 per month with video editing as well. Plus there's no risk involved. I literally offer you a 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. So if you just purchase the program, you could literally enjoy it for 29 days. I'll still refund you. All right, so yeah, check out the link below and I'll see you in the next video, which should be here.